All right, look, choosing the wrong website builder can kill the launch of your business. Now, most people are going to pick Wix or Durable based on a coin flip, and they don't realize they've messed up until they're 3 weeks deep into a project that still hasn't found a single customer. If you pick a tool that's too complex, you'll spend your life vibe coding instead of making money. But if you pick one that's too simple, you'll hit a growth ceiling in 6 months and have to throw the whole site away. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid that trap. I spent the last month testing out both Durable and Wix Harmony to see where they fail. We're going to look at why Durable is like the 30-second miracle for some, but a total cage for others, and why Wix's Harmony ARIA agent might be the best co-pilot that you've ever had, or just another reason for you to procrastinate. So by the end of this, you're going to know exactly which category you fall into. All right, let's start with who Durable is for. So Durable is an all-in-one AI business platform. If you are a consultant or a local service provider, your website shouldn't be a second hobby. Durable creates a site in about 30 seconds, but more importantly, it sets up your CRM and invoicing automatically. It's designed to reduce decisions and get you online without feeling like you're piecing together a bunch of different tools. It's all about keeping everything in one place. Instead of installing add-ons or connecting multiple external services right away, Durable keeps most of the basics under one roof. Now, that being said, if you pick Durable and expect a unique artistic masterpiece, you are going to be disappointed. You're trading creativity for a business that functions on day one. Now, Wix Harmony, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It's designed for the artist who wants to control every part of their website, or for enterprise businesses with lots of specific website demands. Now, on a technical level, it introduces what they call vibe coding and a continuous conversation with an agent named ARIA. You describe a vibe, ARIA builds it, and then you jump into the visual editor to move every single pixel manually. If you do have a specific artistic vision, this is a dream, but if you are just trying to get a job done, you can easily end up spending 3 weeks choosing the perfect shade of blue. Also, keep in mind that Wix Harmony runs inside the larger Wix platform, which means you're not just getting a builder, you're getting access to a large app marketplace, e-commerce infrastructure, marketing tools, and deeper customization options. So while Durable tries to simplify the process into one streamlined workflow, Wix Harmony gives you more flexibility and creative control with more room to tweak things as you go. And if this sounds like something you'd like to try, there is a link in the description. You're gonna get 30% off their plans using our code SITE30 if you do decide to sign up. Now, when you actually start building your site, you'll start to notice the difference between Durable and Wix right away. It just feels different. There's no learning curve when it comes to using Durable. It's very streamlined and simple and literally happens at the click of a button. With Durable, the emphasis is on getting a full website draft generated quickly and moving towards launch with minimal adjustments. You're not spending a lot of time adjusting spacing or experimenting with layout variations. The idea is to get something clean and functional live as soon as possible. The risk? If you hate the layout, you can just drag a button 3 pixels to the left. Either accept the professional structure it gives you, or you'll find yourself fighting the platform. With Wix Harmony, you can also generate a starting point quickly, but from there, you're encouraged to refine and customize. You can switch between describing changes and manually adjusting sections in the editor. So here the risk is that since it gives you more control, you'll likely spend more time shaping the final result. And that means that there's definitely a learning curve, since you'll have to learn how to integrate all of the features that you want. So it's not really about which one is technically faster. It's more about how much involvement you want in the design process. If you enjoy adjusting layouts and experimenting, Wix Harmony gives you that room. If you'd rather move on to running your business, Durable is more direct. All right, once you look past just putting a site together, this is where the real differences show up. With Durable, everything sits in one place. Someone fills out your form and their details are already in your dashboard. You can reply, track the lead, and send an invoice without hopping between different platforms. It feels built for someone who wants to focus on the work, not on managing software. And inside that same system, there's the AI business partner. It's woven into the platform, so it's connected to your actual services, your pages, and your offers. And if you're stuck on pricing, trying to figure out how to position something, or just wondering what your next move should be, you can ask it and get feedback that's based on your business, not some random generic advice. When you're running everything yourself, it basically gives you just a way to sanely check decisions instead of just guessing and hoping that you're right. There's also the discoverability angle. Durable has tools aimed at helping you show up not only on Google, but inside AI search platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. So if someone does ask an AI assistant, find me a plumber in Austin, your business can actually appear in those results. Wix doesn't really handle that for you automatically. You'll need to piece that together on your own with extra tools. Now, Wix Harmony goes a different direction. Because it's part of Wix, you get access to a huge app marketplace, tons of integrations, add-ons, advanced features, and if you want something more custom or complex, you can absolutely build that. But it really comes down to how much you want to manage. Durable keeps things tight and connected. Leads, replies, invoices, guidance, it's all under just one roof. Wix Harmony gives you more flexibility, but you're not the one assembling the pieces. And if you don't actually have the time or patience to manage a stack of apps and updates, that flexibility can turn into extra maintenance. So it's not about which one has business tools, it's about whether you want something already organized for you or something you build and maintain yourself. Now, choosing the wrong e-commerce platform can break your business. Wix is a retail powerhouse built for massive inventories and complex shipping, making it the only choice if the store is your business. However, for service providers or consultants selling just a few items, Durable will make the process very simple. Wix, including Wix Harmony, supports large product catalogs and advanced e-commerce features. So if you are planning to run a large online store with thousands of products, product variations, loyalty programs, abandoned cart recovery, automated tax calculations, and deeper reporting, Wix is clearly built to handle that level of complexity. Now, on the flip side, Durable handles e-commerce in a much simpler way. You can add products, connect Stripe, and sell a smaller catalog directly through your site. For service businesses offering a handful of products, digital downloads, or limited inventory, that may be sufficient. If your shop is an add-on, go with Durable to avoid the maintenance headache. If you are building a retail empire, you're gonna need Wix. All right, let's talk about pricing. At the time of recording this video, Wix premium plans start at about $17 per month for the light plan. Then you have the core at $29 per month, business at $39 per month, and then at the highest tier, you have business elite at $159 per month. Now, the price increases depending on whether you need advanced e-commerce features, additional storage, or expanded business tools. And because Wix has so many add-ons available through their Wix app market, your total cost will vary depending on which features or apps you decide to use. Some plugins are free or included, but third-party plugins can also come at an additional premium cost not included in your plan. And that's one of the reasons why Durable is more affordable and more simple. They have the launch plan for $25 a month and the grow plan for $99 a month. Across all plans, you get unlimited pages, unlimited traffic, customer relationship management tools, hosting, and SEO tools. The main differences between Durable's tiers come down to business volume, such as how many contacts and invoices you can manage and how many team members that you can add. So ultimately, which one feels like better value for your money really depends on whether you want flexibility or simplicity. And by the way, both Durable and Wix offer free plans where you publish your website under their subdomains. It's convenient if you just want something simple and quick, or if you want to test out each service first before committing. So after testing both, my takeaway is simple. Wix is a professional tool that requires professional time commitment. Durable is a business partner that stays out of your way. My recommendation, most of you watching this are probably overthinking your website. You're worried about features when you should be worried about customers. For 90% of service-based businesses, Durable is the smarter choice because it forces you to launch. Only move to Wix if you've actually outgrown the simplicity and have the revenue to justify the complexity. Don't build a mansion when you just need an office that works. So at the end of the day, if you're building a large e-commerce store or something highly design driven, you go with Wix because of the additional flexibility and the scale. If you're a small service-based business, well, the kind that just needs a professional website, a way to capture leads, and basic invoicing, then you go with Durable. It keeps the setup simple and reduces the friction that can slow down your business before you're even started. And if you do want to check out Durable for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see how it works for your business. That link gives you 30% off their plans with code SITE30 if you do decide to try it. And just to be upfront, it is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.